Hey BBs, we went to Gyu Kaku Japanese barbecue. Let's talk about it. So here we have the menu, and you have your courses that you can do for smaller groups or larger groups. You have your small plates, your salads, your soups. This is your must tries, like your big, more expensive cuts of meat. This stuff looks really, really good. You got your more small plates, a closer look at those. We have the takoyaki, you'll see that in a minute. There's your salads, your soups, your premium cuts. Specifically, it goes into the different meats like your beef, your poultry, pork. Looks like you can actually order your own sauces when you scroll down. Here's your seafood, your veggies for those who want more vegetarian stuff, your rice meals, your noodle dishes. Everything looks really, really good on this menu. So we did the value course, and the day we went, it was happy hour. So it was really good. This is everything that comes with the value course. This is a drink that Star got. This is miso soup. It was really, really good. This is the salad that came with our meal. This is the takoyaki. I love takoyaki. It was really, really good. These are the sauces. The sauces were amazing. This is all the meats we got. Ready to grill it all up. You start grilling some of our meat now. We took turns. Here's me grilling some. It smells so good when you're cooking it, and it's a really fun experience. If you've never done it before, it's definitely something that you should try. Look at that. It looks so good, and it tasted absolutely amazing. Here's some of the chicken that we got. We had a really good time here, guys. We will definitely be back. We know that they have a lot of locations. Bye, BBs.